Welcome to Sid Sewing Studio. We're sitting in front of a Kenmore Series 185 model 16764. And this is from around 2006. But what I really want to show you is, wait for it, dun 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 dun, is this. A Kenmore, which is also a Series 185, but this is the model 1584180. And this unit first went onto the market around 1985. So if you're counting, that's about 37 years ago. When I first met this machine, well, let's say it needed a little bit of attention. The feed dogs were not working and the reverse was not working. So if you've tried to sew without feed dogs, not so much fun, really not any fun at all. And then you try to lock your work down without a reverse stitch. Yeah, you can jimmy it and make it work, but is it fun? Is it fast? Let's be real. That one's a clear no. So I had to get into the guts to see what was going on. Now, surprisingly, when I got into the guts, this machine is built really, really well. Bigger surprise was going into the user manual and also the service manual, which turned out to be useless for what I actually needed, but it indicated that for the drivetrain and the machine head, this thing came with, get this, a 25-year warranty. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you saw a 25-year warranty on anything? Me? I don't know. I can't remember seeing it. So, but yeah, so once I stripped it down, gave it some care, got out the tools, the files, the sandpaper, just gave it some love, some grease, some oil, and turned out that other than some parts that had been, really damaged by the UV over the year, as you'll see here, one of the spindles to hold the thread, it just disintegrated. And then I kind of fabricated one to work. So at least one works. And generally, I'm only working with one spool of thread at a time, so it's not a huge deal. But other than the plastics, the guts of this thing are solid. So why don't I stop blabbing on and why don't I show you some action? So let's just zoom in on our control panel here and see what we've got. There we go. So we're set to a straight stitch. Length is on 3, width is on 3, but obviously with a straight stitch doesn't really matter. So let's see what we got. All right, let me get my foot on this presser foot without giving you a headache from moving the camera around too much. But here we go. All right, and let's press the reverse. Let's zoom out a little bit here. Beautiful, there we go, and back to our straight stitch. Wonderful. And of course, where are you gonna go without a great zigzag stitch? So let's just set this thing on zigzag. We'll leave our length on 3, and in this case, we'll leave our width at 3. And let's see what it does for zigzag. All right, now with the material behind you, it's not going to show too much, so let's get this needle down here, lift up that presser foot, rotate this guy, and let's see what we have. Well, there we go. A beautiful straight stitch, nice reverse, and a beautiful zigzag. And I'm not sure if it, oh wait, let's get in a little bit closer. There you go. Now you can see it's a nice straight zigzag stitch. And anyways, there you go. This is a Kenmore 185, 1584, 4180 from 1985. And Just because it's an old machine doesn't mean it's over. It's old, but she's got lots of life left, and there you go. So, anyways, if you'd love to see the guts, let me know, and I'll do a video and show you the inside of this thing. And anyways, I'm signing off. Peace out.